Welcome everyone to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Hope everyone's having a great day today. And I love to have thank you. I love for you all to have a great day. So I'm getting ready to read a scripture. This one is coming from Proverbs 15:23. Everyone enjoy a fitting reply. It's wonderful to say the right thing at the right time. Proverbs 15:23. Okay. Now in this pot, I'm going to be doing collard greens with turkey necks. So I've already have the smoked turkey neck in here. Okay, and this is the turkey broth that I made recently, and I'll be pouring the broth in. Be putting some of the broth in. So I'm going to get a strainer, and I'm going to strain the broth. I don't have the other strainer with me, but I will be using it next time. I didn't have it out. Okay. Okay. Let's see how much do I have. I think that's enough. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. Now I poured my broth in there. Now I'm going to put in my ingredients, which is my onion powder. I'm not putting very much in, just a little bit. And just a little bit of garlic powder. Okay. Just a little bit of complete. As I've already made the broth with all this. I like to put just a little bit more in when I'm starting. Sometimes if I wanted to get tight, it wouldn't. Okay. Okay. Now, I have a half of a medium-sized onion that I'm putting in also. And I'm going to bring this just to a lighty, this is coming into a lighty boil. And then I'll be adding the greens in just a little bit, just as soon as it comes to a lighty boil. Thank you. I'm fixing to start putting my greens in. Maybe I'll get them out of here.
How she's always cooked her greens. She's always cooked her greens in some kind of broth that she have made herself. Even when we was growing up small, my grandmother used to make broth.
I'm going to put just a little bit of sugar in.
And that's optional. Yeah, I don't have to put sugar in there if you don't want to.
No.
And it doesn't make the greens sweet, y'all. It just take just some of the little cut the little tenderness. I mean the bitterness out. She added only 1 tablespoon.
I'm going to put the top on as soon as they cook down, just a short, about 5 or 10 minutes. Sometimes people ask me what kind of pot this is I'm cooking in. This is a Lloyd's. Everybody there familiar with the Lloyd's company also.
All right, y'all. We'll be back in just a few minutes.
I'll say, in here I have smoked turkey necks. So that's what I'm using already. I didn't think to tell you, they showed they had turkey necks, but I didn't tell you they were smoked. So thank you, that's what I have in here. And I'll show them to you just a little bit short. She's got that on. I'm kind of on a medium, I guess.
All right, we'll be back, y'all, once they're ready.
All right, thank you, everyone. I am back with the finishing touches of my collard greens with the smoked turkey necks. Well, turkey necks with the smoked turkey necks. Now you all see how they look, and I know they are very delicious. They just look like it. They look like they're off the chain. Have you ever taken a picture? Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit in my plate. Let y'all see me taste them. But I have to have my little cornbread also. So, all right. I'm doing my collard green tasting right now.
Y'all, when I say the greens are good,
So good.
They said slap your mama.
So good, so good.
If I could reach over there and do it without getting killed, y'all, I do it. Because these greens are, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
They are delicious.
Oh, that turkey broth she cooked them in.
With the turkey broth that I made.
Yeah, these greens are good. Oh my goodness. Well, these kids were here, they'd tear it up.
You all taste these homemade collard greens, they're out of sight. I hope you all enjoy them, because I am really going to enjoy them. I'm enjoying them right now. They're a little bit hot, but I'm still getting them down. So I thank you. Y'all watch this video and share it with someone else. And tell them if they want to really make some good collard greens, do their own broth. And it will be off the chain for them. So get on there and share them with your friend, mother, sister, brother, neighbors, and anybody that like collard greens. They'll always cook their own, make their own broth. Because you will not be able to beat this one. This is a good one. It's totally off the chain, baby. Yeah? I'm not joking. It's there. And may God bless you all to have a blessed day the rest of the day. And I hope this will be one of your favorite things to do for Thanksgiving dinner. Thank you so much. With all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye. Have a blessed day and the rest of the week. Thank you.
Yeah, please make these greens with your own homemade turkey broth. Oh my goodness, so good.
So good. So very, very good.
All right, y'all. We finna be out. Thank you for the members, all our members that subscribe every month to our channel. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank you so much. And y'all have a blessed day. Y'all try these greens. Oh my goodness,
Out of sight. Out of sight.